Okay, let's begin to talk about mood congruence. So the idea that when we're in a good mood, everything seems better, and when we're in a bad mood, everything seems worse. So really, it's a kind of a way of saying the mood that you're in, it puts sunshades on your face with different colors, right? And so you see the world through the colors of your mood. That's kind of the idea of mood congruence. The argument for why this might be the case that when we feel one way, it makes us look at the world through that lens, if you will, rests on the idea of associative network models. And we've spoken about something like this already when we talked about memory. So the idea is that mood sort of primes or activates information in memory that has the same valence. So information in memory that matches the mood that we're in. And therefore, there is something like a spreading activation through related concepts, through semantically related content of our memory. This would mean that recall and evaluation of our memory contents are congruent with the mood that we are in. So if we are in a positive mood, this would mean that we recall positive things and we evaluate things that we are putting into our memory in a positive way. And when we're in a negative mood, the opposite happens. So in a negative mood, we would retrieve from memory more negative information and evaluate information that we see around us as more negative as we store it in our memory networks. How could we go about studying whether this is the case, if mood congruence is indeed a thing? Well, here is one study that tried to use memory, as I've just explained it, to study mood congruence. So this is Bauer in 1981. And in this study, emotional events were recorded by participants in a diary for a week, and they were asked to rate each of these emotional events for how pleasant or unpleasant they were. And then here we had a mood induction through hypnosis. Who would have thought? Mood induction